Hey everyone, history is the ultimate witness. Every single time the world made the fatal mistake of thinking this lion was old and washed up, it let out a roar so thunderous it shook the very foundation of the entire smartphone industry. They said, Nokia's era is over, it's just nostalgia now. But do you really think this legendary brand is going to bow out that easily? Not a chance, because the storm wasn't over, it was just gearing up for the most dangerous comeback in tech history. We're not talking about some run-of-the-mill phone today. No way, we're talking about the digital beast that's coming to shatter the ego of every market giant out there. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. Presenting the Nokia Infinity Max 5G. Design and display. Bro, from the very first glance, this phone is literally screaming, I'm not part of the crowd, I'm the reason the crowd exists. On the back, you get a premium carbon fiber finish that feels athletic and muscular, like a high-end racing machine. And that golden border running along the edges, that's not some cheap decoration, that's pure, unapologetic luxury. And the massive circular Zeiss optics camera module on the rear, it looks like a warrior stepping onto the battlefield with his shield. Now let's talk about the screen that's about to give your eyes a VIP treatment. This thing packs a 6.9-inch 2K Plus Super AMOLED display. When you glide your finger across it, it feels like a hot knife slicing through butter, that's smooth. With a 144Hz adaptive refresh rate, whether you're gaming or doom-scrolling social media, it's smoother than smooth. Standing under blazing sunlight, zero worries. It hits a peak brightness of 4500 nits, your screen will shine like crystal clear glass even under the harshest sun. And it's all protected by Gorilla Glass armor too. Keys, coins, rough handling. Scratch, never heard of her. Camera setup. Now let's get into the section that's been causing absolute chaos in the tech world, its quad camera setup. We're talking a 300 megapixel primary sensor. That's right, you heard me correctly, 300 megapixels. You'll get tired of zooming in before you see even a single pixel break. Alongside that, you've got a 64 megapixel ultra-wide, a 12 megapixel telephoto, and an 8 megapixel depth sensor. And on the front, a 50 megapixel selfie cam that's about to make content creators gasp. Nokia's beastly pixel binning tech and massive 1-inch sensor turn night into day. You could be shooting under moonlight, and it'll look like studio lights are blasting. And its AI stabilization is so aggressive, you could be sprinting while shooting video, and it'll look like you're using a high-end 3-axis gimbal. So creators, drop a comment below, will this actually send your DSLR into early retirement? Performance. Now let's talk about the heart of this whirlwind, the processor. This phone runs on the world's most advanced, most powerful Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 6 processor, built on a mind-blowing 2nm architecture. Let me put it in plain English, you could have 50 apps open at once, render 4K video, or game at ultra graphics, and this phone has forgotten the meaning of the word lag. Nokia packed in up to 16 GB of RAM and a marathon-like 1 TB of storage. You will not see a storage full notification for the next 5 years, guaranteed. Even after hours of heavy gaming, this phone stays cool as a cucumber thanks to its next-level advanced vapor chamber cooling system. And on the software side, Nokia just won fans' hearts, no bloatware, no annoying ads. You get pure, buttery smooth stock Android 17 experience. Zero lag, just command and conquer. Battery life. Now we get to the feature that is the true game changer, the ultimate weapon. Today's flagship phones think they're all that by giving you 5000 mAh, only to beg for a charger the second evening hits. But Nokia just flipped the entire game upside down. Inside this phone is a monster 9500 mAh battery. Charge it once, and you can forget the charger exists for 2 to 3 full days. And if you somehow, by some miracle, manage to drain it, the box comes with a 100-watt super fast charger. In the time it takes you to brew a hot cup of chai, this phone is back to 100% and ready to roll. It also packs 50-watt reverse wireless charging. That means if your buddy's iPhone suddenly gives up on life, you can just slap it on the back of your Nokia and give it a second chance at existence. Price and launch date. Now there's only one question running through your mind, bro, a phone with this many god-level features must cost a fortune. But hold up. Reports suggest Nokia is planning to unleash this chaos in the USA market at just $750 to $800 price bracket. And if leaks are to be believed, this phone is arriving to wreck the market by November-December 2026. So now the decision is in your hands, folks. Are you ready to ditch the usual Apple and Samsung route, and bet big on this new Nokia beast? What's your most dangerous feature? The 300 megapixel camera, the 9500 mAh battery, or the 2nm processor? Drop your opinion in the comments below and make some noise. Let's go.